Yeah, man, the name lyricist, Equinox Professionals, and Loop Records, Easy Gang, Lunchroom Champions, all that. So, I spit it like an automatic out of bearable. Blam! Showboating, call me Terrell Flowins. I kick down doors like let po in, no. Slowing my rise to the top, I'm going. Broke like flow, P-pow, I go in. Chopped off buttocks, the rhymes got no end. Fixed up the bars, but the rhymes not broken. Been kicking this since a kid. I am hip-hop's goatin'. Dragon Ball niggas, they wishing I disappeared. But nigga, I'm sticking here, my presence gives them fear. Frickin' seeing a lot of you niggas in the careers, I can retire. I'm ahead by like 50 years, yeah. Number one when you speak of a list. If not, you sounding funny like speech with a list. When I speak, it's heat, lead beats to a crisp. I beat the blood out bars like beef with a crip. I tell them, this is more than skill, it's my forte. Or say, I'm warming the mics up. This is rhyme foreplay. Directing the pen, I am Scorsese. C.I. always handle my B.I. in the fashion of B.I. But I'm packed with the content. Spots never lost it like evidence of Big L's homicide from the P.I. It's cliche to do a gun line about T.I. So I just stand tall like the socks reach knee high. I am the support for niggas staying in court. Trying to strategize moves, but they never play the sport. So I'm something like the moat that's protecting the fort. Or I'm November breeze for niggas playing me short. I'm too cold, the new soul of a dying game. Raw joints, songs on point like Matt Ryan's aim. I bring pain like a lion dame that's AIDS infected and still fucking over master with a crying game. It's two-sided. See, I grind and go hard, or I'm suave like the gel in the shower you massage. Your scalp trying to war. See, I leak to the brain, so it's mental. Whenever I hit them instrumentals, crazy. Sketch dash every time I wreck pads. Blackberry scripture, I ain't Drake, this is X-Lax. Shitting on it.
Yeah, that's my man lyricist, prehistoric, metaphoric, man, Z here. But look, on the real, your bitch been missing. So let me tell you where your girl is. She with me, she probably blowing. Watching movies while we rolling, getting sick and yo, she's island. Taking pictures on my rolling. She cheating, Keisha Golan. She tricked you like a Trojan in the night, she caught you loafing. You thought you wasn't potent, sorry Ken, I stole your Bobby. I ain't used no Bacardi. She walked over and hollered, my name Lachey, here's my number, see, better call it. Like how you know my name? Real talk nigga who doesn't, yo, you lying on your life. Probably fucking yo bitches, probably fucking yo snitches, probably even eating dinner with your mother or your cousin or your sister or your brother, probably smoking on the best Cali weed that you heard of. I don't even come on mics, everything I spit is murder. Nigga, prehistoric crew, Z in here, bitch, now you heard of the fatherfucking crew. Twitter, prehistoric fucking crew, minus the fucking prehistoric crew. Fuck
yeah, it's D-Dub 3 and T. It's Mr. 202, I'm on my 756. That's them Barry Bonds world record home run hit. So put me on your track and that's a home run hit. And put me up to bat home runs I hit. I face any challenger, trust I damage them, spit versatile like see. All they do is rap that stuff, I'm talking about materialistic rhymes. I hear y'all, real lyrics is missing from the rhymes. I'm rapping for the people, hope they keep their thing legal. Cause I'm not above any man and we all created equal. Not trying to change up, just deliver y'all a message through the flow. That's the gift, yes, that's what I am blessed with. Might as well use it, not like I'm gonna lose it. On the right path, know the one you should be choosing. I rap for fun, the money is a plus. See, and I rap for fun, these niggas rap for funds. That'll get you nowhere, not enough to none. I got the city on my shoulders and that weighs a ton. I am food for the soul like a chicken noodle soup book. Listen y'all, people don't care how the coop look on my Kansas City baseball team. I'm royal, hip hop is my belief and I'm trying to stay loyal. I'm trying to stay faithful cause I'm married to the rap. But the commercial shit, it could get a nigga trapped. Yes, trapped, that's how it is. So many fall subject to the biz. Rapping ain't fun no more, it's all biz. They turn the videos to porn, so me something for the kids. Young is now raised up to call a girl a bitch, thinking Pippin rock slinger, gun banger where it is. Look, no disrespect to any given dude. Shoot, I'm just here to bring the truth. True?
Hey, let's go.
Okay. Prince Akeem, man, follow me on that Twitter shit. You know I got follow mine. Prince Akeem 301. So I said, look, I'm Prince Akeem, baby. I am in the Navy. Say now I'm lying, you know a nigga be playing. I just turned 20, so what the fuck is you saying? Special leg swag, so baby give me some praying. Damn, my flow is so nasty. Running through these bitches like my nickname Casper. Cassius, the only thing a nigga is after. Run up in the middle school and stick him up for ransom. And I said, girl, I got that magic hoe. You just flop like Magic Carp. Bitch, I got that long dick. I'm Mr. Fantastic Ho. I'm fucking with a general. Oops, I mean general. I am a professional. Bird, Code, Eskimo, Prince Akeem, DMG, EAZ, that is my team.
Follow me on Twitter, nigga, before I disfigure a nigga. And I will make you remember a nigga. Flow colder than the month of December, my nigga. That's all I'm hitting with, man.
Alright. 99 though. Probably one of the coolest motherfuckers you ever made in your life. Okay. I went from no job to blow job. Niggas try and wreck me for nothing to having no prob. Sudden heartthrob. Y'all niggas hop-ons, bend your polywall. Couple years back, a youngin' was hardly on. Now I'm demanding your attention with every song. You had a good thing until you messed up. Now that it's dead and gone, let's get dressed up. Attend a funeral and pray that we next step was just an anything young until I stepped up and became a man. Lucky lefty writing crap, watch the chef in hand. Made a brand that these youngins can relate to. Positive ways that elevate you. Knowing that half of these local niggas gon' hate who? Try my best to focus, never let them phase me. Y'all talk gibberish, these niggas crazy. Look. You ain't impressed yet? What about now? Them niggas bitter, they don't even want to smile now. Born an asshole, I'ma keep shitting on you. She blew the team and you still let her kiss up on you? And my bitch bad, Coach Boots Gabbana lens. Pretty face, a closet look like an H&M. I'm that ignorant bastard you really hate to win. If you don't like me, then why you perpetrating it? Look close, you can see Ovechkin skating in. Young nigga Judas said, have patience, pimp. But I'm like, fuck that, gotta escape and win. Cause I'm tired of dealing with crustaceans here. I'm frustrated here. But I got a plan, keep my circle small, get 100 grand. Fuck brands, fuck niggas still sleeping on me. Loaf of bread in my pocket, but no heater on me. If a nigga try to take it here, still me, psych, nah, bitch, I know all these niggas feel me.
You good? All right, bear witness, one more special edition. Bear witness.
Go ahead, man. Get him,
what goes up comes down, bet I won't buddy. Real hip hop, tell me why you don't love me. Got it all from amazing voice to cute face, slick talk, now your lady moist. The taste of choice, a nigga stand 6'2", far cry from the days of Royce. Was 5'9" when I started though, but I picked the pin up about the same time my father rolled. Yeah, nigga, I'm in my Godfather role. Master delivery, the boy Domino's. Drop a hit 30 minutes or less. Promoters don't own me, but they rented the best. AKA Febreze, reinvented the fresh. Y'all bland, you ain't met Mr. Timothy yet. Real gimmick or less, skill limit to less. Now look who crashing your dinner with guests. Clean the plate, but got a bone to pick. Who been sitting in my throne and shit, picking heads out my brush, trying to clone the kid? Ben Snyder, I be on my own and shit. Most you could be is captain, I own the shit, and you a stowaway. Why you even on the shit? I got throwaway money, I can loan you bricks. This ain't pumpkin, cause I ain't just known for spit. Got the game in a clip, it's on my hip from MDX-Re. Yeah, I'm so hip. Tell the haters toodaloo, but I don't skip this to my loo. Yeah, I know this. I'm so perfect. Fuck it, get with this nigga.
Tell them where we gonna find this at. Yo, we're gonna find this joint. PattinsDope.com. We're gonna find this joint at, cause you got like a million blogs, a million places to go to.
PAC times. Let me get back to that real quick.
When they gonna find it at, yo?